Got a big rainstorm tonight, you guys. Excuse me. It's about 1 in the morning, and we are looking at this big, heavy. Can you come back? Can you come back? Yeah. I was on the front. Well, yeah. And thunderstorm. Sorry, guys. Don't ask us why we still have the Christmas lights up. That's only because we had a party about 4 months ago, and I threw those up just to be cool. Got a big Spidey here. Got the rain right there. Let me let it focus here. I know you guys can't see it very well, but right now we're gonna go to the front. Gonna go to the front of the house. Can't see anything because the lights are off. The lights are off, guys. Anyways, oh my goodness, just lit up the whole sky. Woo! Not much going on in the front. We had an incident. Got this cool light. Got this flame bulb. That's up there. I don't know if it's supposed to be raining all night or what. I think it's supposed to go on all night. Bad enough, we already got some rain today. But it's facing me.
Oh, good.
Got some rain today. And, yeah. So, yeah. Let's go back to the thing. Let's go back to the rain. The interesting part. Not me. Not the interesting part. The rain is the interesting part. Guys, you can see we're watching the news. Guys, we're filming. Thank you. We got quite a bit of rain coming down. You know, if that was snow, I'd be so happy. You already know, guys. You know, I'm looking forward toward winter, and yeah. So yeah, just wanted to do this little video about 1:03 p.m. or a.m. And yeah. Time to go to bed, I guess. But look at that rainbow. Or look at that. Oh my goodness, I almost dropped it in one. Just kidding. So look at that lightning. Wow. Sorry about the lights again. Anyways, guys, that was a little video, and hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and bye.